Jeff McDaniels. I'm the instructor for the APICS classes. About 40 years of work experience in the supply chain. And I've done that across many different companies, from Apple all the way to the U.S. military. My work experience is in manufacturing, logistics, distribution, as well as reverse logistics. All the things I teach, I would say 90–95% of them, I have physically done myself in a work environment. I've had many different jobs, all the way up to general manager level. So what the client gets, what the delegate gets, is not only the knowledge, but they get it from a person who's actually done it. So I can augment my instruction with real-life examples. Teaching is a nice challenge because you have lots of different people, you have different cultures. It's really good to be a coach, trainer, mentor of people and to see them develop, provide them skills, provide them mentoring as needed. So that really motivates me more than anything else. You can always do it any way you want. The problem is that you want the training before you have to do it. You don't want to do the opposite like I did, where you get a job, you have to perform, you don't know the proper way of doing it, you don't have the background or the knowledge, what we call a book of knowledge. So it's better to have some training, augment it with examples in a classroom, and then take that from the class environment and implement it in work. That's the whole focus. It's not to achieve a certification. A certification is nothing more than a bar, a level of training. But you got to take it and implement it in your business. It's going to teach you the basics that you need to do your job. It's going to give you examples more of at an intermediate level, so you can take the skill immediately and apply it. What it means for you is that it makes your job a lot easier to do. Plus, for your company, it gives return on the investment. Your company is paying for you to come to the class. You go back, and it turns out you can do more. You can do it at less cost and less inventory. That's the reason you do it. Individually, what happens, a typical person who will take this class, if they learn the information, they implement it, they have opportunities for advancement in their company. And you want to have those skills. Again, you don't want to do it the other way around. You make mistakes, you learn from it, but why not have the knowledge to do it the proper way? I can tell them now the best way of doing it. I can tell them some of the things I learned along the way when we made mistakes. We did not do the right things.
I've attended previously CSCP, Certified Supply Chain Professional course, and now we are attending the CPIM Module 2 and 3, which entails the Master Production Schedule, it entails the SNOP, it entails the Execution and Control environment as well. So what we are essentially looking at is there are strategies that have been shared with us in the program relating to how to manage production in an uncertain demand environment. And like before, the courses that I've attended before, we actually take this text and this discussion and try and implement it into our organization. And that has proven to provide benefits. So for instance, we actually did a study on safety stock optimization. We named it as a Crack the Code project in our organization, and that has proven over the years to reduce the stockouts in our company.